Alright, I just got a DiGiorno from Tiger Direct. It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno. Although, I just got it from Tiger Direct. It's rising crust. There's, the box has a picture of a cheese pizza. It's a 4 cheese, so, hopefully it's extra cheesy. Pretty much it says you have to bake it at 400, so 21 minutes. This is the supreme variety pictured. I didn't have enough for that one. This is a recyclable box. Let's go ahead and open this. Oh, I think I'm having trouble. Oh, there's a tab here. Oh, yeah. I think I need a knife to open this. Oh, no, I got it. Alright, it's in its anti-static baggie. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, no, there's a little thing. There's a little lever. I need to ground myself first. Okay, yeah. This is the unboxing for DiGiorno Rising Crust 4 Cheese Pizza. Looks about 18 inches big. Or probably a foot. I don't know. I didn't really look at the specifications online. I just knew I wanted this, so I bought it. Hopefully it's not dead on arrival.